Hi everybody, my name is Capi Fullerton. I am Mrs. California Petite 2022, and I am a member of Alycia's Win a Pageant Academy. Alycia was my favorite judge in my first Mrs. Pageant, and I knew that if I wanted to keep competing, I needed her help. I dove into her podcast, her YouTube series, all of the great material that she has available for us online. I was able to start putting pieces together for my legacy project, but I wasn't able to just put it together myself. When I finally decided to go all in and join the Academy, my legacy project went from 0 to 60 in just a matter of months. Because of the step-by-step process that the Academy has, we were able to create a unique plan that allowed for me and my legacy project to shine. All of the material that we learn in the Academy goes much further than just pageant weekend. We are taught life skills, speaking skills, and networking skills, all of which can help us further any aspect of our life. I want to thank all of the coaches and the members in the Academy who are putting together such a positive community, and I can't wait to see you in there with us. So goodbye for now, but I'll see you soon.